Hi, welcome back to From the Nooch. This episode is on the go. Here we are in London, England at a McDonald's just outside of St. Paul's Cathedral. Beautiful location, and we're really hungry, we're really thirsty, so we decided to stop at McDonald's. If you've ever been to London, you're gonna know that London's super expensive. So if you wanna eat a lot on a budget, fill your belly, I'm gonna show you a quick little trick of what we could do at McDonald's. All right, so first what we got here is I have two burgers. This is 99 pence, and this is £1.49. So good value for your buck, considering a regular burger around here is like £4 or £5. Crazy. So we have a little bit of chicken here, which is good, and we have a little bit of beef. I like my burger without onions, so I ordered mine without onions, but maybe you like onions, so you can do whatever you want. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take our beef burger, which is a double cheeseburger, 2 patties, and we're just gonna quickly open it up so we have the cheese open like this. Then we're gonna take our chicken burger and we're gonna find the side that doesn't have the mayonnaise, and we're gonna toss that one out. It's too much bread. You gotta watch portion control here. So we have a little bit of the mayonnaise, we got the chicken. We're gonna put it inside our 2 patties and the cheeseburger, and we're gonna create a rather heavy, rather hefty chicken cheeseburger that we're gonna eat way cheaper than anything on the menu, and I promise it's gonna fill you up more than anything there. So, I hope this helps you out on your travels. We'll see you next time. Thank you.